This JERIA oval raised garden bed kit offers two generously sized metal planters that give vegetables, herbs, and flowers plenty of room to develop strong root systems. The thick galvanized steel panels feel sturdy and are well suited to staying outdoors through rain and snow without warping or rotting like untreated wood can. Its open bottom design allows excess water to drain naturally while still letting plant roots access the soil beneath for better overall drainage and aeration. The included hardware, wrench, and clear assembly guidance make putting the frames together straightforward, even for gardeners who are not very handy. Protective rubber edging around the top rim softens the metal edge, which makes the bed more comfortable to lean on and safer for children and pets around the garden. The 1-foot height strikes a nice balance between reducing bending strain and keeping soil volume manageable, so filling and maintaining the beds remains practical for most home gardeners.